Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka jingilang jong ka kanhuan menteri jong ka sarkar jala haka lai putrik mentau benai kala lingkot arajar khat khandai kala menjer ban IT no syakilai teli ki Autonomous District Council ya ka kam ban ajing bed ki pajba ban snayeng na ka benta kisnong ki bahap sabar jong por usam jong ka municipal bat ki bahap apo ka Shillong Master Plan usambot menteri rang ba ka jala ba Preston Tensong haka jing kan bat kilat pathai khubor hadien ka jingilang ulai tho ba ka ne kara jong ka sarkar jala kalong hadien ba kalami ke jing dawa na kipat ba ban na kasunjok kirang ba snong ban persya ya ke jing ajing bet snayeng na ka office jong ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority.
So the cabinet has discussed very thoroughly on this issue and ultimately approved the proposal of handing over relating to granting of building permission which is outside municipal area and inside the master plan area to the concerned district council. Because see, what happened was all these years all the stakeholders, be it NGOs, be it Sanju ki Rangbashnong, and then almost all the concerned, what they wanted is, they said that this permission, building permission, may kindly be transferred to the district council concerned. So the cabinet ultimately approved this proposal made by the Urban Affairs Department. Because see, the government has already had the bylaws, their building bylaws, right from 1973 when Meghalaya Town and Country Planning Act was passed, right from that time. So what happened was the building bylaws was framed and this bylaws was amended from time to time. And the latest amendment was made in 2011. And these bylaws, as I've already mentioned, excluding municipal areas, but including the master plan area, will be now transferred to the concerned district councils for granting building permission.